Got my lady right here. Bye. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a little different. We're just gonna have my buddy gonna go over to my house right now. He's gonna detail the Daytona. We're gonna clean it, get it all cleaned up. It's nice and clean. So today it's just gonna be one of those regular just car reviews on the Daytona 392. I know a lot of you guys are more interested in that car than the Camaro, so I will be doing a lot of that. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe and comment. Like I said, I've been on the low for a good while. School, trying to get into school right now. Work has been pretty hectic. But day off today, so why not make you guys a little banger? So just stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so we are about to pull into the house now. Got my brother here. Make sure you follow him, his Instagram. I'll go ahead and put it right over here at _1bad392. Make sure you check out his Instagram. He's a badass car, look at that. So we're about to pull in here. You know, all honesty, I'm no rich guy, but it's probably the best driveway you can pull into at the, you know, not gonna lie. So we got the Daytona right here, about to get all washed up. Alright guys, so right now they're getting started washing the whole, detailing the whole car. So we're gonna get the rims acid washed, make sure you get all the brake dust off. The brake calipers, we're gonna dust them off. We're gonna clean them off as well as acid. He's gonna also go ahead and clean up the engine bay because it definitely is a mess. You can see, not too bad, but it's gonna make a difference once he starts cleaning it up. I'm gonna go ahead and leave his phone number in the description down below. Make sure you hit him up for any little thing that you need, whether it's just a regular wash, whole full detail. He does also the ceramic coating on the whole vehicle. So if you ever need that, just go ahead. Like I said, phone number will be down in the description. We'll go ahead and just take over and then just enjoy this montage, guys. Now we're gonna get to the best part of the car, the main thing of the car, something everybody loves. So go ahead and dry it off, make it look really, really nice. So unfortunately, he's not doing the full entire detail. All I just kind of asked for was just a quick wash. Definitely, like I said, engine bay was the main priority. Get those rims and calipers finished off. Ceramic coating, I mean, sorry. It's definitely get put on probably the next wash. Today I just kind of wanted something brief and quick, just so I can get the video uploaded for you guys. This one doesn't get no love. I mean, she gets driven every day, but dirty as hell. Check it out. Don't worry though, we'll get her washed. We'll get her washed. Alright guys, so car is done. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the description. Make sure you guys hit up my boy Carlos. I'm gonna go ahead and put his phone number right down in the description. If you ever need a car wash, need any info on car prices, detail prices, stuff like that, make sure you hit him up, because look at this shit, man. This shit's huge. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out in the sun just a little bit, and show you guys the effect of it. Look at that. It looks like we got some brand new Brembles. They're not though. We just cleaned them all off. We acid them all down, but look how much they're shining now, the difference of it. Like I said, hit them up. Phone number will be down in the description. All right guys, so now that the car's washed, we're gonna go ahead and go change real quick. We're gonna take this beast out. We're gonna do some pulls. We're gonna do just a full car review. I'm gonna show you all of the car. Just let her know what it's got, and just let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Enjoy this montage of the car looking nice and clean. What's going on, guys? So we are back a few days later. It's about probably a week from the day I recorded the car getting washed. So now we're just gonna get a start up, and then we're gonna give you guys the full car review on this. Woo! So as you can see, the car's a little dirty again. Like I said, it's like a week later, but we'll make it work. We'll clean it up later on again. So let's just hop in the car and let's go give you guys this car review. Make sure you follow my Instagram right there, Mako_Tona. Alright guys, so first off, let me just start by talking about how the interior, okay? So as you can see, it comes with the brown stitching here, and then it's got full carbon, all the inside, all the accessories here, so you can see dash and everything's full of carbon. And these seats are actually very comfortable. As you can see, these hug you here as you're driving, keeps you in your place. Again, it's got the brown Daytona stitching here as well as all the seats. Gives it that poppin' look. Gotta make sure we don't scrape because that splitter is pretty fucked up already. Oh, we're good. So make sure, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow, make sure you like, let the friends, family know about me. I'm gonna be try to post a few videos a week. Right now it's a little hard because of work, but let's just go to a spot where I can take you guys, give you guys some pulls, and then let you guys get a whole visual of the vehicle out in the sun where it hits. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the first pull of the day. Make sure you always throw that bitch on track. Mode sport, training's on sport, paddle shifts are on, traction on sport, and steering's on sport. So let's go ahead and give you guys a little something. Damn, I forgot how powerful this fucking car is, dude. So this car is an 8-speed automatic. I like to drive it with the paddle shifters here. Gives it more of a pull. So I am currently running with a Borlaug catback exhaust. It's got a Mopar intake, cold air intake, and that's about it as of right now. Hopefully I'm looking to give it some goodies. I'm not gonna spoil it because I don't know when it's gonna happen. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I'll leave it a surprise for you guys. As of right now, this is what it's currently got. We do have some just cosmetic modifications, like it's got the APR performance splitter, carbon fiber splitter. It's got a carbon fiber wicker bill, And I believe also the like I said, the interior is all carbon fiber, as you guys can see, and as well as the diffuser. You guys, a little launch control here. Let's see if I can get it set up. Let's put it at 1700. So do a third gear pull at 50. Man, this shit's fucking pulling, bro. We're officially now in Mexico, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a couple more pulls. I'm gonna set up my GoPro to sit back here on the rear diffuser, give you guys a little what it sounds like, give you guys a couple revs and stuff like that. And see, like I said, it's got the carbon fiber wicker bill. It's got the carbon fiber diffuser here. Got the Borla catback. So we got the, like I said, the APR Racing Performance carbon fiber splitter. I'm currently running some BF Goodrich 305s on the rear end. So pretty good meats right now. Still kind of semi-new. So I'm gonna go ahead and just switch you guys onto the GoPro. Alright guys, that was that. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you, like I said, leave a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Give me a comment down below what you want to see more of. As you saw, this beast can really pull. Hopefully in the future I can get some races. If you guys know anyone that's really down to race this car, shoot my DMs. Like I said, my Instagram will be right over here, Mako_Tona. I'll keep you guys posted on, like I said, on the new things that are coming this way for this vehicle. If you guys like it, show a big thumbs up, subscribe, share. We'll be posting more of this. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.